Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Wednesday, September 26th. We're seeing an abundance of low cloudiness and some patchy fog out there this morning. We do anticipate this to stick around for the morning hours, and then we're going to be seeing a lot more sunshine as we go towards the afternoon. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, do have that weak little piece of energy, really. That's all that's left of that low South Cape Hatteras that we briefly discussed in yesterday's 10 a.m. briefing. It's really just degenerated into absolutely nothing, a little blob of thunderstorms down there, and that's going to continue to weaken and move off to the northeast. So, like I had mentioned yesterday, no impact to our area whatsoever. We are seeing, however, some patchy fog across the region this morning. We do anticipate that to clear up as we go towards the afternoon, but it is going to continue to be cloudy here as we go throughout the rest of the AM hours. Looking a little farther west, we are seeing this cold front that's across the Ohio Valley with associated showers and storms. That's going to continue to march eastward and is going to reach our area in the overnight hours tonight, bringing us a chance of showers and thunderstorms after 8 p.m. tonight, and with shower chances lingering throughout much of the overnight hours. Taking a look at a short-term model here so we can kind of see how these rain showers move in later today. We are going to remain dry throughout the day, just some isolated shower activity on this model, not anticipating that to actually come to fruition. As we go towards the afternoon, this is around 2 a.m., still not seeing anything in the way of shower activity. Around 4 p.m., we should be seeing a fair amount of sunshine at that time across the area. Actually, that will help to boost the instability across the region. And then as we go towards 8 p.m., then we'll start to see more showers and storms enter central portions of the Delmarva, with the best chances for showers and storms arriving around the midnight hour, which would be this time frame here on this map. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop this morning, seeing some southerly winds start to pick up across the region, and that's helped to keep our lows this morning very unseasonably warm for this time of year. Our low this morning was 74, and that is about 15 degrees above what we should be seeing for our average low this time of year. So still seeing very warm temperatures out there, despite it being fall, with those warm ocean temperatures offshore being helping to be the culprit of these continued warm lows we've been seeing for quite a while now. Do have that patchy fog. Can't really see too well on this map, but you can see that more abundant high cloudiness across western portions of the mid-Atlantic, and that's going to continue to slowly move its way eastward as we go throughout the day today. So as of 8 a.m., we were seeing overcast decking at 400 feet, restricted visibilities down to 4 statute miles. Winds were from azimuth 190 at 7 knots with a temperature already of 77 degrees. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, going to be just seeing those low cloudiness and restricted visibilities through the morning hours, and we'll start to see some peaks of sunshine near lunchtime. Then we should be seeing some partly cloudy, perhaps mostly sunny skies after about 2 p.m. and through the sunset time period. Going to be looking at a very warm high today for this time of year at 87 degrees. That's about 10 degrees above average. Winds are going to max out from the southwest at 8 to 13 knots as we go toward this afternoon. And as we go into tonight, remaining southwesterly, then shifting behind that front that's going to bring us those showers and storms more northwesterly by after midnight Thursday, around 5 to 10 knots. And then by mid-morning Thursday, we're going to be looking at a northerly wind around 5 to 10 knots. And we are going to be seeing that front that's going to give us those initial round of showers and thunderstorms between around 8 p.m. and midnight. That's going to stall out really across southern portions of the Delmarva, just south of the Wallops region, and that's going to continue to give us periods of rain throughout the day on Thursday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, as you can see, we're going to continue to see ceilings below 500 feet for the next couple hours, and then remaining below 1,000 feet through the remainder of the morning hours. Then after 2 p.m., going to be seeing just a few, it looks like a few to scattered around 3,000 feet, as well as some upper level cirrus clouds. And then as we go closer to sunset, we'll see those clouds begin to increase again as that front approaches. By 8 a.m., seeing scattered decks at 2,500 and 5,000 feet, and then a ceiling down to 10,000 feet. And then after 8 a.m., possibly seeing those ceilings lower between 2,500 and 5,000 feet in any shower activity, with ceilings down to around 2,000 feet only if we get into any thunderstorm activity overnight. And then it does look like those ceilings are going to be remaining between about 500 and 1,000 feet as we go into tomorrow morning, and really for much of tomorrow, as that cold front lingers across southern portions of Delmarva, giving us abundant low cloudiness as well as those periods of showers throughout the day. Still seeing high tides out there at 1 foot above normal. For the next couple days, going to be looking at cloudy and cool, like I said, for tomorrow. That high is going to happen early in the morning tomorrow with a high of 72, and then I think the temperature is going to continue to drop throughout the day as that cold front will be south of us, helping to usher in some cooler weather, and we're not going to really see any sunshine tomorrow at all, so that's going to help to keep that high pretty low as well, giving us periods of rain throughout the day. Can't rule out a slight chance of a thunderstorm lay. There is a possibility of some additional energy riding along that front that might impact us and up our thunderstorm chances just slightly, still under 15% late in the day Thursday. Thursday night, going to be looking at a much more seasonable low. Still mild for this time of year, though, of 67. Still going to be cloudy with some light showers still around for Thursday night. Friday, it is going to be rainy once again, especially in the morning. Can't rule out a very slight chance of a thunderstorm. And then we should start to finally see some sunshine again when we get towards the mid to late afternoon hours Friday. Looking at a more seasonable high for Friday of 77. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.